orange. Maybe I need a tan, but anyway, okay. Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I'm going to be doing my birthday get ready with me. So this is my 18th birthday. Pretty excited. Yeah, I'm just going to be doing my makeup. I'm going to not talk because I'm kind of sick, which sucks, but whatever. So you're just going to watch and see what I'm doing, and I'll show you my outfit at the end. Had to turn off the music for a sec. Anyway, just got this palette for my birthday, which I'm pretty excited about. Not gonna lie, like pretty pumped. Be great if I could open. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. We're gonna use some of these colors today, and yeah, what are we gonna do? I don't know. Ooh. Okay, oh, I should probably do that, hey? That probably works better. Anyway, so this is the look we're going with today. Yeah, so these I got from Cotton On. And then this top is also from Cotton On. Just this like turtleneck type thing that's like really, really bright. This necklace, wouldn't have a clue, my mum gave it to me. And then literally this entire outfit's from Cotton On. Because this jacket's from, well, it's from Cotton On Body, but like same thing, you know? Oh, I look pretty. I don't know if you can see it very well. Let's see. Not really, but... oh, there we go. So, yeah, super natural for now. I'll probably darken it up a little bit later. So, when we go to, like, dinner and stuff. But,